Cleaning up messy books from previous years doesn't have to be overwhelming. If you're dealing with a cluttered mess of old transactions, incomplete records, or out-of-date financials, this quick guide will walk you through a simple, step-by-step process to get everything back on track. First things first, you need to grab all your records for the past year, or however far back the mess goes. This includes receipts, invoices, bank statements, and anything else that tracks your financial transactions. Don't worry if it looks chaotic. This is where we start organizing. The next step is to group your records by categories: expenses, income, liabilities, assets, and equity. Make sure you know which transactions belong in each category. This is crucial because disorganized records often stem from transactions being recorded in the wrong places. Now, it's time to reconcile your books. If you've been using software like our recommended one, this becomes much easier. Start by matching each transaction in your records with your bank or credit card statements. If something doesn't match, you'll need to dig deeper. Look for any missing transactions or errors. Trust me, this part can take time, but it's the only way to ensure your books are accurate. Once you've got everything lined up, focus on fixing your accounts. If you find any duplicate or missing entries, make the necessary adjustments. A clean set of books means you won't have to deal with mistakes come tax time or during financial audits. Here's where our software will make your life easier. It automates a lot of the messy part for you, matching transactions, categorizing them, and even providing insights on where your money is going. You can follow along with this software using the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. If you're ready to tackle your messy books, this software will save you hours of work and stress. Now that you've organized and reconciled your transactions, it's time to generate reports. Most accounting software has a profit and loss and a balance sheet feature. Run these reports to ensure everything balances out. If something's off, go back through and double check your entries until everything adds up correctly. Finally, back everything up. Whether you're using software or a paper system, keeping a digital copy of your books is a good practice. It's the best way to protect yourself from any future mistakes or losses. The key takeaway here is that cleaning up messy books from previous years takes organization, attention to detail, and the right tools. Take the time to categorize your records, reconcile your accounts, and fix any errors. This will not only help you get back on track, but also make your future financial management a lot easier. To recap, get all your records together, group them by category, reconcile your transactions, fix errors, run reports, and back everything up. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we used in the description below and start cleaning up your books today.